What started as a search for relief from lupus has blossomed into a luxury skincare brand. It's the story of Morgan's Creek. Here's Deidre Thomas with the Business Review.
Lupus has marred every day of Joni Dale Morgan's life for the past 20 years.
I was in the hospital at KPH for 2 months in a coma. And when I came out, I kind of had to learn to walk again and, just do the basic things in life.
But out of this diagnosis, Morgan's Creek was born. It's a luxury skincare brand inspired by Miss Morgan's struggle to find natural solutions for her skin.
So the thing is, my family has a wholesale, and I create my own little factory in the wholesale where I used to make the products. So when I had sales representatives come, they would see me making the products. So they were the ones that said, okay, Joni, let me try it, until one day someone said, let me buy it.
Although requests for the product were pouring in,
persons would buy these soaps, but they don't use them because they're so pretty. And so if they're not buying it every month, then you're not making any money. To do decorative soaps. So it used to be soaps that look like food. So like cupcakes and different slices of cakes.
This eventually led her to create soaps that were not only more effective, but also cater to a wide range of skin types, resulting in a collection of over 200 products for both men and women.
So we have a wide range. A lot of persons look at us like the local Bath and Body Works. So we have the shower gels, we have the body creams, we have face washes, the charcoal, the turmeric, we have serums, we have moisturizers, we have bar soaps.
And the ingredients, she says, are all natural.
We use a lot of coconut oil, we use olive oils, we use palm oil, we use vitamin C, we use coffee grounds, coffee bean.
However, sourcing packaging from overseas has created bumps along the way.
So sometimes it's hard to get the same packaging, or sometimes the prices increase based off, the US dollar.
And like many Jamaicans, exorbitant electricity bills in recent months have added to the challenges.
Our August bill went up by two times the amount. My bill is normally like 30,000. In the summer, it tends to go up like 40,000, and then for July it jumped to 60, and then August it jumped to 72.
Despite these obstacles, the beauty specialist has developed a deep affinity for her business. She's seen her initial investment of 600,000 Jamaican dollars yield a 35% profit. Now, operating from her own storefront and selling over 2,000 products each month, she is very mindful of her approach in growing the business, given her ongoing battle with lupus.
I still suffer with lupus. So I still try to balance how I go about growing the business, because you can't do too much and then you take 100 steps back, So I kind of take each day on its own merit and just allow the business to grow organically.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.